In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit product photos in GIMP, a comprehensive tutorial designed specifically for beginners. Let's jump right in and start with our first task, opening your product image. Launch GIMP and go to the top menu bar where you'll find the option labeled File. Click on Open, and this will prompt a file browser to appear. In this window, navigate to where your product photo is saved. Select the image and click Open, and it will appear on your GIMP workspace. This is your canvas where all the magic is going to happen. Next, we want to remove the background of your product photo, which is crucial for creating professional-looking images, especially if you're planning to use them for online listings or promotional materials. There are a couple of ways to do this. Focusing on the Fuzzy Select tool and the Foreground Select tool. The Fuzzy Select tool is great for backgrounds that are a uniform color or easily distinguishable from your main subject. Click the icon that looks like a magic wand in the toolbox, or simply press U on your keyboard. Then click on the area you want to remove. GIMP will try to predict the edges of your subject. You might need to adjust the threshold in the tool options to refine the selection. If the background is more complex, use the Foreground Select tool. This requires you to roughly outline the subject, and then GIMP takes a bit to calculate the best selection. After these adjustments, hit Delete, and the background will vanish, leaving your product isolated. Once you've got the background sorted, let's refine the photo by adjusting the brightness and contrast. This step ensures that your product looks its best. Navigate to Colors in the top menu and select Brightness Contrast. A slider will pop up, allowing you to adjust both aspects. Slide back and forth until your product appears vibrant, but be careful not to overdo it, as this can make the image appear unnatural. The goal is clarity and attractiveness, not distortion. Additionally, you might want to sharpen the image a bit. Head to Filters, then Enhance, and find Sharpen. Here, you can increase the sharpness slightly to make the details pop, without creating unwanted noise in the image. Now it's time to save your work. If you want to export the image with a transparent background, go to File and choose Export As. Make sure you select a format that supports transparency, such as PNG. If you've added a white background and want to keep it that way, JPEG will work just fine. And with that, you have successfully edited your product photo in GIMP. Don't forget to save your project regularly in GIMP's native format, which is XCF, so you can always go back and make further adjustments without losing any layers or changes. That's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.